Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the purple brick large red damselfly in Heartopia during the Modular Street event update. Okay, first of all guys, if you want to find the brick insect, you need to go to the forest. And for the purple one, specifically, you can go to the forest island. Okay, and this is the purple brick large red damselfly. And I've just catched this brick insect. This is one of the brick insects from this modular street event. Okay, and let me show you my insect story, guys. I'm going to open up my watch. Wait. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna click on the collection and go to the insect story. Okay, and this is the information about the purple brick large red damselfly. Okay, basically you can catch it in any weather, and for the source, it's from the forest island. So just go to the forest island to catch this purple brick large red damselfly. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the purple brick large red damselfly in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.